Welcome to your gorgeous estate pool home. Set on 9.62 acres with a beautiful water view, you'll feel right at home as you enter through the gate and experience the serenity of this peaceful property. New designer wood plank ceramic tile just installed in the living areas, owner suite, and office, plus new carpet in the other bedrooms and loft. The open floor plan flows perfectly with 6 bedrooms plus a dedicated office and loft and 4.5 bathrooms. The multi-way split layout gives ample separation and privacy for multi-generational living or just a little quiet time is needed. There's room for everyone here. The owner's retreat has beautiful new flooring, views of the pool and lake, walk-through shower, garden tub, and dual vanities. The living spaces are wide open and you'll enjoy entertaining with your elegant formal living and dining rooms. The kitchen is spacious with a new double oven, center island, breakfast bar, and plentiful counter space and cabinets. It overlooks the family room, which has sliding doors so you can get cozy and enjoy the view or open them and relish your incredible outdoor space. The large screened-in pool overlooks the water and has a new Wi-Fi heat pump. Car and hobby enthusiasts will find an abundance of precious garage space here, as there is the attached 3-car garage plus 2 detached concrete slab garages. Don't miss your opportunity to own this incredible property. Get your appointment to see it today.